Okay, today we're going to make a simple recipe for Skittles vodka. All you're going to need is 1 bag of Skittles, 1 bottle of cheap vodka, and 5 empty water bottles. Alright, step 1, we're going to separate our Skittles by color. Arrange all of them into each individual color. Okay, there we have it, all our Skittles arranged by color. The next step is we're going to put 1 color in each of our 5 empty water bottles. Okay, there we have it, 5 bottles of our different color Skittles evenly distributed. To each bottle we're going to add 5 ounces from our 1/5 of vodka, evenly distributed, and we'll use the whole 1/5. Adding our vodka. Alright, we've added our vodka to our 5 bottles, and the next step is to cap them. Shake. Keep shaking these every once in a while. I like to let them sit overnight before I go to the next process of straining them. And just every once in a while I'll walk by and give them a quick shake. Okay, now that we have our Skittles vodka all dissolved, next step is to strain it. I'm just going to use a well cleaned out coffee maker and a coffee filter and pour it in. It's going to get caught in the pot down below. And once it's strained, all you have to do is refill it in the nice clean bottles, chill in your freezer, and you have Skittle shots ready for the next time you have some friends over. And each different flavor of Skittles, I'm going to use a different coffee filter. Okay, there you have it. Our finished Skittles vodka, a rainbow of flavors for your next party.